about the VFR handpiece?
Fractional RF technology is minimally invasive technology. What we have here, it's a small electrodes when you touch in your skin, making small injuries. This handpiece is indicated for skin resurfacing and rejuvenation application. What we have here is our unique technology named SVC. SVC stands for switching, vacuum, and cooling. We know from other fractional RF devices we have some challenges: pain level, burn sensation, and also in many cases we cannot control the depth penetration of the energy. For many different applications we need this control. So switching technology came to resolve the problem of depth penetration control. By controlling the depth penetration, I can know to which skin layer I will target the energy. Vacuum and cooling came to protect our skin from burns and also reduce really significantly the pain level, what we can see in other devices in the market. So this is like the next generation of fractional RF treatments.
Hi, my name is Robin Bottom, and I want to take a moment to say thank you for literally changing my life. And they are not only a company that operates with the highest integrity, but they are also helping people everywhere to look and feel their best, and that is exactly what they did for me. I am originally from Dallas, Texas. I'm a cowgirl by trade, and I have spent most of my life in the saddle, which means I've been exposed to the elements. Lots of sunshine down here, and so I remember looking in the mirror not too long ago and thinking, my goodness, how is this possible? I have aged prematurely, and I had a lot of sun damage, a lot of hyperpigmented spots, dark spots on my face. My skin was incredibly dehydrated. The glow, that youthful glow, was gone, and I was very disheartened by what I saw in the mirror, and prematurely aging was not something that I was ready to accept, so I needed to remedy that. I reached out to Viora to inquire about their VFR fractionated treatments, and like anybody else, I was probably a little leery, like, is this really going to do what they said it's going to do? And my goodness, did it ever do what they said it would do. I watched years of pigment and fine lines and wrinkles, some acne scarring, just literally fall away from my face, if you will. And my friends and my family and my husband were incredibly impressed with the results, and they could not believe that this company with this handpiece was able to turn back time for this cowgirl. I feel more confident. I am so inspired to take better care of my skin moving forward. And just sharing my age, I turned 44, and so I hope to have 44 be the new 34 with this company. So I'm forever grateful for the treatments. They were so painless and comfortable, and it was just fun to go through that process and watch my skin change, and I look forward to more. So thank you so much, Viora, for being such a wonderful company and for truly helping me to look my best, and for so many others that are out there. I am forever grateful to you.
Hi, my name is Ashton Martini, and I'm here to share my story regarding Viora's VFR treatments. After being pregnant and nursing for about 5 years straight, my skin had gone through some ups and downs of hormonal breakouts, some severe cystic acne, and being a person who never experienced any sort of skin issues, this was devastating. And I was desperate to find a treatment that was going to get my skin back to where it was pre-breakouts. And I was so depressed and had such bad self-esteem because your face is the first thing a person sees when they meet you, when they see you. And with two small kids, I didn't have time to always get ready and put makeup on. And so finally, when I found the Viora treatments and week after week of just seeing the results, seeing my skin healing, seeing the marks diminish. You know, sometimes I would look in the mirror and think that I had makeup on, and I didn't. It was just my skin. Anyways, I just feel compelled to tell people that if you have skin issues, if you have brown marks, red marks, acne scarring, use the VFR Viora treatments. They are amazing, and I just feel so thankful and so blessed to have found these treatments. They've changed my life. Thanks for listening, guys. Have a good one.
Vasily, MD. As a cosmetic dermatologist involved in the initial clinical studies for the FDA with this device, I can say unequivocally that it is one of, if not the best, skin rejuvenating device. And to qualify that combination, ablative, non-ablative skin rejuvenating device in our practice today. With this device, we've now used for over 4 years and treated hundreds of patients multiple times. We can say virtually that there's not been a single patient unhappy with their end result, and that is unprecedented in my experience. I have never had that experience with any device I've used in my practice through the years.
Hi, my name's Dr. Jennifer Hill, and I'm a urologist and a urogynecologist that practices in Suffolk County, and I own Suffolk Pelvic Medicine. I found that a lot of patients were coming in and complaining of vaginal laxity and labial laxity. So with the VVR handpiece, we address the vaginal laxity, and then with the VFR handpiece, we address the labial and the labial majora laxity. And it had amazing results. Even for my labiaplasties, when the labiaplasties come back and they say that they have a scar that they don't like, a couple of treatments with the VFR and the scar is gone, which is pretty astounding. With the facial treatments, I feel that usually after 3 treatments, generally a month apart, depending on their skin type and the amount of wrinkles that they have, usually 3 to 5 treatments is enough for those patients, and then they come back every 6 to 8 months, sometimes longer, and just kind of get a touch up. So that's been something that's kind of been a natural progression for the practice, and it's been pretty exciting.
My name is Carol. I'm 58 years old. I have been seeing Dr. Hill for various procedures for about 2 years. We discussed various treatment options, and she had suggested the VFR, and then we went through it, and I was pleased. And then over the time following the treatments, I noticed I was looking much more youthful, much better, definitely the way I had hoped to, but I thought I could only get that result through surgery. So I found that I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled with the results. I feel more youthful. Even when I was younger, I don't think I looked as good as I look now. So I'm very pleased with the treatments. They were painless. There was no downtime whatsoever. Some warmth and tingling. Other than that, it was very uneventful, and the results are I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled.
Patients know that if it's changing the way they feel, that it's going to change the way they look as well. And one of my biggest customers is my mother, who comes in, flies in from the Midwest to have her face done every 6 weeks, which is kind of funny too. So it really works, and I feel like the VFR treatments are just a natural progression because women want to feel and they want to look beautiful.